What is the vision and mission of Momentum Church? It's more than a service we attend, it's a people we become. Vision gives us the big picture, where God is leading us and how we move forward together. Mission puts that vision into motion, not just winning souls, but making disciples. Disciples who grow in Christ, who don't walk alone, who live life together in real biblical community. Church was never meant to be just a Sunday gathering. It's a daily calling to love one another, to grow in character, and to live on mission beyond ourselves. This is Momentum, a kingdom-minded biblical community becoming more like Christ together and reaching the world around us.